Hey MAST family, welcome back.
Happy Monday.
I'm Chris.
I'm Jalen.
And we are your student news anchors at MAST on Monday morning.
All students, please remember to sign in when we meet each week. We spin the wheel for prizes like MAST swag, gift cards, or purple pesos. School money that you can use at the school store.
Remember to pick up your prizes right after the news broadcast in PTY office, or you will forfeit your winnings.
Thank you to all the staff and scholars that volunteered on Saturday's open house. We appreciate you.
We also want to give a shout out to New York Garrett for facilitating a lovely luncheon on Saturday, November 16th.
A special thank you to all the scholars along with Mr. Mazzoli, Mr. Singh, and Ms. Malcolm who supported our poetry event in the courtyard. Thank you for sharing your poems, your songs, and your short stories. We appreciate you guys. NHS will be moving the Forest Park educational excursion to next week, Tuesday, November 26th. So make sure to see Mr. Mazzoli for more information.
Scholars, all after-school activities are in session this week, so make sure to look at our Instagram to see when clubs meet. Tutoring is in session, so make sure to check in with your teachers for more information.
Lunch and Learn in all subjects are this week, Tuesday and Wednesday during period 5. Remember, you can earn points for your house. There is Saturday school this week, so make sure to check your programs. Birthday shout-outs!
On November 19th, we have Naomi W.
And on November 23rd, we have Christopher A.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! PTA/SLT meeting will be held this week, Wednesday, November 20th at 6 p.m. in room 223.
The parent-teacher conference is virtual. The evening conference is this week, Thursday, November 21st, and afternoon parent-teacher conference is Friday, November 22nd, which will be a half a day. MAST uses Teacher Reacher to conduct virtual meetings. More information will be shared by AP Star.
There's an upcoming trip to see Hamilton on Broadway. If you are interested in attending, please see Ms. Stokes in room 106 for more information.
The MAST Gospel Choir is every Thursday in room 204 from 3:15 to 4:30 with Miss Witt.
Be reminded that the Campus Magnet Gymnastics team is having a bake sale during 5th period lunch from November 19th to November 22nd and accepts cash only.
College Now is back and it's time to enroll for the spring semester. If you are interested in applying to take free CUNY college courses next term, you must see Ms. Nayabi in room 218 ASAP. The application is due Friday, December 6, 2024.
Calling class of 2025. Here's some important news. This week is the last session left of the college application workshops with Ms. Abby in room 222 from 1:55 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. Make sure you go get all the help you need. Remember to pay your senior dues to Ms. Slinger in room 217 ASAP.
The final scores for this week's House Wars, including Lunch and Learn tutoring, is drum roll please. Love with 280 points, Perseverance with 297 points, Equity with 364 points, Legacy with 489 points.
And that was MAST News on Monday morning. See you next week.